Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, before we will begin, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for downloading some, of course. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because thanks to the Wi-Fi you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So let's begin with opening the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in or log in if you're not logged in yet. And then just tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps and games. So in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got the full list of all updates pending. And basically all you have to do is to simply find the app you'd like to update and mark it. So let me pick, for example, Google Photos and Google Chrome. And after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now those updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. I mean, apps will be updated, so basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.